My name's Evan Malm, and I am the owner and the founder of this company, Southwest Industrial Electric.
This business is my other child. I love it. I've been here for about 14 years and made it my own in terms of caring for it and caring for all the people here and helping to make it better and grow and help more customers. And I just love it.
Once I started doing jobs, started getting more knowledge, started kind of moving up through the company, I found that I really love teaching people. So I kind of slowly made my way into managing, and now I manage, all the electricians.
I found that I really enjoyed doing electrical work. It was interesting. I was studying it all the time, just on my own. I'd buy books and read up on it. So I kept going with that, and that's why I kept going in the industry. And so I wound up loving it. I mean, to this day, it's my favorite thing to do.
The reason I am doing what I'm doing here at Southwest Electric is to provide real help to the companies and corporations around the area. I really enjoy coming here every day just to make sure that they have someone they can go to and someone reliable to take care of whatever they need.
We're always going towards putting the customer first. That's what we do throughout our days, is pretty much just the main importance of just putting customers first, and we all work towards that.
One of the most rewarding parts of my job is definitely just getting feedback from the customers and seeing, the sort of results of our hard work and how happy and satisfied they are.
Even though the company's been around for 40 years, that it still feels new and fresh. There's always something happening. There's always new goals to be achieved. We're very close-knit, and issues get resolved right away. And it's just it's a great energy.
Everyone I know here is amazing. Everyone is really nice, works well together. I really enjoy this work environment. I don't know where else I would work, honestly, and have so much fun.
We've got some really experienced people here. I've been working here since 1991, repairing machines virtually the whole time. And then we've also got crews that if you need your lights fixed or if you need to move your entire facility, then we've got a crew that can do it.
Southwest, they kind of as soon as you're up to speed, they give you your own jobs and they let you get out there and start running your own job, and you're ordering your own material, you're doing all your admin work and things like that, so you really get a feel for the entire scope of work.
This job has taught me more about decision making and just working with people, keeping on top of talking with multiple customers and keeping communication with them throughout the week. And if you're working on projects with multiple people that are spanning for a month or more, making sure that everyone knows what's going on. So beyond electrical, it's just taught me a lot of life skill.
With the guys out in the field, everyone's got each other's back. Most of us hang out outside of work, and if we don't, we're still all on really good terms. And you spend a lot of time in the truck with each other, you start developing bonds. So it's just a good environment to work in, to know that all your coworkers got your back.